Morning viewers, subscribers, we're Mr. Whitley. Mr. Whitley, what's up, man?
Man, everything good.
Yeah, man. You can tell the viewers what you're up to today?
Yeah, you see what happened now in... I tried to finish off the ceiling bed. So we done the veranda and now completely. So I tried by a Monday a week. The tile I come in, so I try to stop up today now.
Oh, nice. Oh, so you tell us start the week, yeah?
Yeah, man, I'll start my game the week.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're looking wonderful, man.
So I try to pull everything out there and go through it.
Yeah.
I try to see almost in here. I'll be back room and that room.
Back room. So, in the sun now flash?
That I staircase, you know.
Oh, that's it.
We could have block it off if I don't get the car porches, so we're not
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
What do you call it? Is that sheetrock?
Yeah, sheetrock. That is sheetrock.
Nice.
Almost through the bigger part, you know.
Yeah.
So I did master room and I finished up today.
I'll finish on the master room. Alright. I'll take it in.
That's good today, you know.
Hey, go on, bossy. You good?
Yes, man.
Yeah, remind me your name again.
Yeah, Craig, you know.
Alright, Craig. Yeah.
These are the original chair ceiling, you know.
The original?
Chair ceiling.
Chair ceiling.
Yeah.
Oh, like a chair and ceiling.
So you set up on the wall, you go up and you sit down. So majority of that. No. That you're good, man. Remember, so up on the back of the thing, so you're supposed to get the feet on the front of this. So when you put up and up, you get to go there to get to. So you have reset like right crowning. Right crowning, like this. You have 16.
Yeah.
And then 4 feet. And then back. And like that.
But the thing with the sheetrock now, we not really chop eat. Or it depends on the height.
You know, you see, I best thing when it comes to eat. If I keep off the eat and you see we have all the felt over the thing, so when it bear down, you see even take it off. So what happens now if rain even fall, you don't must hear the rain either.
Oh, okay.
It told them in hazard.
So basically, the internal noise.
Yeah. If rain not falling, if you don't look out of there, you can't see it, you know, because through the gutter bed outside, everything falling on the gutter bed, and everything come down in the pipe down the house.
So, and that come you've got now on tanking system too.
Yeah.
You know how to harvest
You
it.
can control the harvest, anything we want to harvest through it.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah, man.
That's nice.
That one sheet at the ply, you know?
Okay.
One sheet at the ply. That's the thing we're working on. Oh, okay. Take off on that.
Well, you guys get a lot of respect for your work when you do, you know.
Yes, man, always.
Because my best videos are really construction videos, you know. People kind of really want the house, just want different solution and different styles.
Yeah. You can't screw them. You're up on that.
No, we can't screw. The bowl we get the chair in, and you get one for the we can't screw. You can't let it.
You don't move, man. Don't keep by your hand, buddy. Just keep your hand. That's what I get. You have a big flag. Look what you're doing. Yeah, you're in the boss. Come on. Go up to the brush. Yeah. Feel the bottom of it. Now I'm working on the ear. You want to come back down to your roof, right?
Yeah, alright.
You heard it, that's what it happened there. What it happened there. This is one of the tools, you know.
Okay, yes, yeah, oh, nice.
Yeah.
But just brace it up in there.
Yeah. You want to go up in the ear, man. Just screw them. Get up there, then. Get up there.
Nice.
Do that now. Screw. Screw the bottom for it tap of that body.
So that's all electric gun or something?
Yeah, I did something like compact. I did compact.
Okay, compact drill.
I'm going to see battery.
Oh.
When it's finished, you back.
So you don't nail, screw anything?
No, this is not the nail one. This is just a screw.
The screw, okay. Oh, so that screws in the use night?
Yeah, man. Drywall.
Drywall screw, oh. Okay. I thought it was nail, you know.
No, man, screw this one. Come on, that foot now, pal. Come on, the foot.
Look at it from here. Too much weight up there.
Hold on, that picture. Tap back here, a little bit over. Yeah, what is?
Your viewers, hit the like button. You want to share the video.
Alright. So catch it up on all of the 2 feet then, that's what you
Nice.
One like 2 feet then. Now put no more than a feet then. Put the ass up, and put this up. See what I got to give it, man. Okay. I got it. This one is
Ceiling joints are structural framing members that are used to support anything attached or mounted to the ceiling, including the sheetrock, drywall, or other finishes, light finishes, air vents, smoke alarms, security cameras, fire sprinklers. This structure forms part of the original chair ceiling design and adds the value to this luxury house.
That you want for. You need something for holding things. That's why you man a tape in a wobble.
Oh, so you hold the sheetrock firm or in a one position.
You can hold it in, but you don't need when you put in the water. And later on the coffee thing is pop out like
Okay.
what you call it, the plaster, rubber plaster.
So when you put the sheetrock on it, I take a use it, you shoot the screw in it and you hold it better.
Yeah. Give me that measurement now, Paddy. I come from.
So I'm just ask you a few questions before we close out the video now.
Yeah.
What the key thing in terms of the roofing and the ceiling? Just so viewers understand, what key thing somebody needs to understand in terms of the roofing and ceiling in our house?
You have to really scale the roof, you know. Roof has scale, you know. If you notice outside, you have a whole heap of valley.
Yeah.
And you have a whole heap of hip on it.
Yeah.
So, as me I said to you, the main roof from up there is about I think is 18 feet tall.
18 feet tall?
Yeah. And
Okay.
we have the last roof down here, so about 5 feet.
5 feet?
Yeah, so, you know, just take one little card and call it 5 feet. You have to pick up from half of the main roof, come back to the hip, and then you level when you come here, so you see a 3 piece of roof and one desert.
Yeah.
One desert and the main roof will come back to the desert.
Oh, okay.
So half height now, everything will come off height. You can scale that way.
Yeah, man.
So it's like say you will come up and say, we'll put that roof at 5 feet and them and there. Sometimes the water will over the other side and over. So you have to find the hip, you have to find the valley. The valley is the most important thing. You know, for the valley have to be lower than the hip.
Yeah.
So the hip now, when the hip is taller than the valley, so the water run back half of the hip, go down to the valley.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the science is really when the water hit it, it run off and escape on the roof, not at all?
No, none at all. It have to come in the valley to run out the water to come and ground. But like on the alongside and just fall, the water go fall. So, but from once you have them high roof that come down, you have to put in a valley and you have to know the measurement. For measurement to use, you know, if it end at the step out of the roof is 5 feet, you can't put it 6 feet.
Yeah.
But you have to send up the valley straight to where the step out is.
Yeah.
And then they carry down the water from half of the main roof to it. Okay?
Yeah, man.
So, now with the ceiling bed, people always tell us what type of ceiling bed you need. But these are the chair ceiling.
Chair ceiling, yeah.
We call this the flat one, right? We keep them flat.
Oh, it's keeping it flat, okay.
Yeah, we keep them flat. All I do is flat. Flat too. Just how the chop roof in both there. In everything, you can walk through the subway.
Oh, okay, so you just leave that space in there.
Just put back the sheet up. That's how the office. So in has a flat too. Yeah, one office there.
Boy, thanks to this educational video, I'm so Whitley.
Yeah. We don't must die after we're done with this and now we have something to finish with. So.
Oh, some other projects?
Yeah, we have a door, a house, a deck.
Oh, okay.
So,
alright.
that's how I finish it. But you know, it's good if you can finish it. As me I tell you, say, you can't perfect start, you know, you have to perfect finish.
Finish it, that is true. But easy to start, the hardest part of the finish it.
Yeah, man, the finish.
Yeah, man.
Sometimes you have some clients where them can get along with, you know. And sometimes a client, they say they want on the house upside down. There's no, you can't tell clients they can't on the house upside down.
Because I pay money on them something.
Yeah. So when you can't work, you have to turn it the right way.
Yeah, that's true.
Anything at all, you don't know, say. That's what you say.
Yeah, man, reality. But it was a job well done still. Honestly, it's a job well done.
Give thanks to your father, man, I tell you.
Yeah. Can't complain. Yeah, that's true still.
Like, so you just get up and travel from here every day and every day there, you know? Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. And you know, so the viewers, them appreciate it still. We see the views on the last video.
Yeah.
Right? And, you know, we appreciate the work, man.
Yeah, man. Well,
so it's more.
Thanks, man, for me, even one cousin, man. Big him up, man, from New York, man.
Alright, yeah, man.
In terms of seat and he send it all over and I show people say I pay food.
Yeah, man, and then we'll follow your journey in terms of more work that you're doing on other houses still, same way still.
For a serious thing, and I like say we are talking and you know see what we are doing.
That's a fact. That's a fact. Alright, sir, Willie, thank you, you know.
Yes,
yeah, man, big up yourself, you know.
Blessing again, you know.
Yeah, man. Alright, yeah, man. Thank you.
And thank your viewers.
Yeah, man, respect, man. Cool.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great.